Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today again I am going to create my base makeup in a different way. Last week I posted a video where I showed you how to apply base makeup if you have combination skin. In case you missed that video, check the description box, you will find a link there. Recently I saw this method which I am going to follow today on famous YouTuber SmithaDeepak's channel. Generally we apply moisturizer, after that we prime our face, then we apply foundation, after that we use translucent powder, and at last we seal it with a setting spray. In that video she experimented with a new method where she moisturized her face at first, then she applied primer. After that she applied a thin layer of translucent powder all over her face, sealed it with a setting spray. After that she applied the foundation. She was pretty impressed with the result. She mentioned a TikTok video where the TikToker was talking about this method, but her method was a little different. She suggested to moisturize your face at first, after that use a thin layer of translucent powder, seal it with a setting spray, then apply primer, and at last apply the foundation. I want to test out both of their methods on my textured skin. On the right side of my face I will apply the TikToker's method, and on the left side of my face I will apply Smitha ma'am's method. I will give you the links of their videos in the description box. These methods are suggested for oily skin with large pores and fine lines. I have normal to combination skin in summer. Generally the area around my T-zone gets oily. But I have large pores and visible skin texture, so let's see how these methods perform on my textured skin. So guys, keep watching this video, and before that don't forget to subscribe to my channel. After washing off my face, I have applied Sebamed Clear Face Gel all over my face. Now I am going to apply the TikToker's method on the right side of my face. I will use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder as the second step. I will apply a thin layer of it, hence I am using a brush for application. Now I will apply the L'Oreal Infallible Setting Spray on the right side of my face. Wait until your face is completely dry. After that, I am using the Colorbar Perfect Match Primer. I am taking a small amount and applying it on the right side of my face, specially concentrating on those areas where I have large pores. This primer is quite effective in filling up large pores. After that, I am taking the Wet n Wild Photofocus foundation in the shade Golden Beige and applying it on the right side of my face. Now with a brush, I will blend it out. This is a high medium coverage matte foundation. Now I will apply Smitha ma'am's method on the left side of my face. My face is already moisturized, so I will directly apply the Colorbar primer on the left side of my face. After that, I am applying a thin layer of Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder on the left side of my face with a brush like she said. Then I am applying the same L'Oreal Infallible setting spray on the lip side of my face. Now the setting spray has dried down completely. It has already created a flat matte base. Now I will apply the same foundation at the lip side of my face. With the help of the same brush, I will blend it out. So this is the close-up of the right side of my face where I applied the TikToker's method. My skin at that side is not looking good at all. You can easily see my large pores and skin texture, whereas the lip side of my face where I apply Smitha ma'am's method is looking a lot smoother. Pores are less visible there. So I approve Smitha ma'am's method. My whole face is looking very matte. If you have dry skin, don't apply any of these methods. The area at the tip of my nose is very dry. I can see dry patches over there which I don't like. I can also see a dry patch where I have an acne. I am applying another layer of powder with a puff just on my cheeks to blur out my pores over there. Now my skin texture is looking better, but it is looking extremely matte and dry. So if you have oily to normal skin, you can definitely try Smitha ma'am's method. To be very honest, on my skin, I don't find much prominent difference between general method and Smitha ma'am's method. My skin texture is looking more or less same. Sometimes my skin becomes very oily, so I will apply Smitha ma'am's method only then. Guys, I hope that all of you know about my 10-day foundation series. Yes, it is going to be 10-day foundation series where I will be testing out and reviewing 10 most popular drugstore foundations which are available in India. I will be posting the videos for 10 days back to back. Follow me on Instagram to know from when this series is going to be started. You will find my Instagram handle in the description box. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you very soon in my next video. Take care.